The city of DeSoto, Iowa, treats its wastewater with a 630,000-gallon per day partial mix aerated lagoon system. Ammonia discharge requirements imposed by the state required DeSoto to upgrade its facility, which was built in the 1980s. DeSoto selected the most cost-effective solution, Triple Points Nitrox, which treats ammonia year-round regardless of the temperature. The existing aerated lagoon was retrofitted with Triple Point's patented Mars aeration. Water is pumped from the aerated lagoon into the small footprint Nitrox reactor, which receives and nitrifies 100% of the flow from the lagoon, even at temperatures as low as 0 degrees Celsius. Nitrox's simple, reliable operation requires minimal attention. Each reactor is filled with attached growth media to cultivate the nitrifying bacteria that convert ammonia into nitrate. During the winter, a heat exchanger increases the water temperature just a few degrees, guaranteeing nitrification regardless of ambient temperature. A state-of-the-art PLC automates the pumps, boilers, heat exchanger, and blowers. Sensors provide real-time feedback on operating conditions and trigger adjustments that minimize energy consumption. The Nitrox system has 2 blowers, one duty and one standby. The blowers require minimal maintenance, just belt and air filter replacement, and an oil change every 6 months. Nitrified water flows from the Nitrox into the polishing lagoons, where any solids can settle prior to disinfection and discharge. DeSoto's Nitrox upgrade cost half as much as alternatives and allowed them to preserve the lagoon system's simplicity and ease of operation. By upgrading their lagoon system with Triple Points aeration and ammonia removal technologies, DeSoto has enjoyed single-digit BOD and TSS and non-detect ammonia levels. Triple Point Environmental. Lagoons do it better. The city of Pacific, Missouri treats its wastewater with a 2.1 million gallon a day lagoon facility. 2 partial mix aerated lagoons are divided with baffle curtains into 4 treatment zones, followed by a covered polishing cell. Due to 2 recent floods, Pacific needed to upgrade its aeration system. After careful review of the upgrade alternatives, Pacific decided to incorporate Triple Points Mars, an innovative lagoon aerator that combines a coarse bubble static tube with fine bubble diffusers in one portable unit. The existing above-ground air header and blowers were retained, making the installation quick and easy. Each one of the 99 Mars aerators has its own individual airline and throttling valve. The airflow to each unit can be controlled from an onshore manifold, allowing for maximum control and easy maintenance. Each Mars unit's coarse bubble static tube creates an area of influence of up to 125 feet in diameter, ensuring that wastewater is properly treated and sludge buildup is minimized. Pacific has realized energy savings of as much as 25% over their previous aeration system due to reduced horsepower usage. The final step in the process is a polishing pond, which is covered to prevent algae growth during the warm summer months and to ensure the effluent has low BOD and TSS. The Mars aeration upgrade in Pacific's lagoon system improves mixing and energy efficiency. Moreover, the new system allows for more operator control and easier maintenance. The ultimate water quality is showing BOD and TSS of less than 20 milligrams per liter coming out of the plant. Triple Point Environmental. Lagoons do it better. The city of Norway, Iowa was required to upgrade its wastewater facility to meet ammonia discharge requirements. The 132,000 gallon per day partial mix aerated lagoon system was built in the 1980s. Norway determined the most cost-effective solution, Triple Point's Mars lagoon aeration to treat BOD and solids, and nitrox to remove ammonia year-round. Following aerated lagoon treatment, water gravity flows into the nitrox, a small footprint nitrification reactor that removes lagoon ammonia at temperatures as low as 0 degrees Celsius. Nitrox consists of 2 dual-tank treatment trains. Each tank is filled with attached growth media to cultivate nitrifying bacteria. Aeration grids create turbulence to keep the media in motion. Each treatment train has a small tank heater to increase the water temperature in winter just a few degrees to guarantee nitrification. Sensors provide real-time feedback on operating conditions and trigger adjustments that minimize energy consumption. The lagoon's aeration and ammonia removal systems each have one duty and one standby blower, which are alternated automatically to ensure even usage. Variable frequency drives allow each blower to be controlled either manually or via a DO signal. Controllers monitor water temperature and turn on tank heaters only when needed to minimize costs. Nitrified water flows from the nitrox into polishing lagoons, where any solids can settle prior to disinfection and discharge. By upgrading their lagoons with Triple Point technologies, Norway achieves single-digit BOD and TSS and non-detect ammonia levels, well within permit. Triple Point Environmental. Lagoons do it better. Missouri's DNR required the city of Benton to upgrade its 3-cell 110,000 gallon per day facultative lagoon system to meet new ammonia limits. Benton's cost-effective solution? Triple Point's Nitrox, a small footprint nitrification reactor that removes lagoon ammonia year-round, regardless of temperature, at 1/2 the cost of alternatives. Influent flows from the first lagoon cell by gravity into the nitrox, which consists of one treatment train of 2 tanks. Each tank is filled with attached growth media to cultivate the nitrifying bacteria that convert ammonia into nitrate. Stainless steel medium bubble aeration grids on the bottom of the tanks create turbulence to keep the media in motion. A resistive load tank heater increases the temperature of the water just a few degrees during the winter to guarantee nitrification regardless of ambient temperature. The nitrox process is very simple and reliable and requires minimal operator attention. An integrated control panel automates temperature adjustment, so the heater only runs when needed, reducing energy costs. The blowers require minimal maintenance, just belt and air filter replacement and a periodic oil change. From the nitrox, water flows into the polishing lagoons, where any solids can settle prior to disinfection and discharge to a creek. Choosing Triple Point's nitrox system allowed Benton to comply with their new ammonia limit at half the cost of alternatives, while maintaining their lagoon system's simplicity and ease of use. Triple Point Environmental. Lagoons do it better.